Alright, welcome back. Sorry everybody. Like I said, the videos at the most can only be 15 minutes. So, at this point, what I was explaining was I created this circle for you and that you could click on it and move it around to select your answer, or you can double click on this and you could put A, B, C, whichever you think is correct. Now, I have also put in math boxes. Yay! I know we've been missing out on our math boxes. So here we go. Number one, I am a quadrilateral. I have 4 equal length sides. I have 4 right angles. Draw me. You may use a ruler. Now, since this is digital, what you can do is actually use these shapes or lines if you wanted to. Draw your shape. You could do that. Or if you know what the shape is, you can look for the shape up here and you can go ahead and insert it. For instance, if you think it's a trapezoid, there's a trapezoid. If you think it is a diamond, you could draw a diamond or a rhombus. So, up to you. And then next one, this one you're going to have to do on a piece of paper and then type in your answer here, letting me know what the area of this total shape is. This one, we're pretending like we're playing Salute. The dealer says 20. You know that one of the players has a 4. So what do you have? And you will type your answer in this box. Okay. Same with this one. Type your answer into the box. Same with this one. Type your answer into the box. Okay. Just like we were playing Salute. Now, we haven't played this game in a long time, so you're going to use these cards to equal 12, okay? You can use a variety. You could do addition. You could do multiplication. You could do division. You could do a lot of different things. You could use some of the cards. You could use all of the cards. All you need to do over here is tell me, for instance, 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals 12, because that would be 6 plus 4 equals 10 plus 2 equals 12. And then you will write that over here in this box. Okay. This one, the perimeter of the square is 40 feet. What is the length of each side? Fill in the oval next to the correct answer. So this is another one. Do on another sheet of paper. You don't have to put all of how you're going to do it here. Now you can select a shape. For instance, I could select a X right here. And when I have my answer, I could put it right here and just have that done. That way I've selected my answer. Or you could put what the answer is here. Doesn't matter to me as long as you have an answer. This one, choose a fact family you need to practice. Complete the fact triangle. Write the fact family. Here's where my product goes. Here's where my 2 factors go. And then I want you to write it in every way. For instance, if I need to work on 6 times 7. Okay, so I'm going to put 6 down here. 7 here. I'm going to put my product of what 6 times 7 is. I could solve that on a different piece of paper. So up here I'm going to do 6 times 7 equals, and then put my product. And then I'll put 7 times 6 equals my product. These ones I'm going to do division, so I could do whatever that product is. Now I could do slash like that and put 7 equals 6. Or you could do it by inserting the equation symbol, and by doing that you would go up to shape, equation, division, and then you just draw it out and then move it where you need it. This is a lot of work to just do a division symbol. You could just do the slashes, and I understand what you're talking about, and that would just be like that. Okay, and then for the next one you would put blank divided by 6 equals 7. Okay, so that's how you would do your fact family. Now, we're going to move on to English Language Arts. All right. So, what do you believe will happen next in The Wolf and the Fox? We've left off on paragraph 19. Hopefully you guys didn't read on, but if you did, what did you think would happen next? How do you predict the story will end? Based on what we know about the wolf and the fox and where they are right now, what do you think will happen and what do you think will be the ending of the story? That's what you're going to put in these boxes under your assignment. Today you will be reading the rest of the story. Identify and underline key events that take place in this section of the story. Focus on the question, how does Fox solve the problem he faces? Okay, so we're going to focus on the fox. There will be 6 events, so not every paragraph has an event, and you will write me a summary. The fox, wanted, but, so, then. We're only going to focus on the fox for this summary. I want you to reread paragraph 27 and write a paragraph telling what happens in this scene and what the event reveals about the fox. So we did this for Wednesday's assignment of figuring out what events reveal about the wolf. This time I want you to tell me what event happens in this paragraph and what does that tell us about the fox. Mr. Hafner has shared with us this really cool link. When you click on this, you have a big variety of videos that you could do to get moving today. Also, Miss Eigel wanted me to share with you guys that you guys know how to get to your Google Classroom, Miss Eigel's Google Classroom. Go ahead and check in with that and see if there are any assignments there for you as well. Since usually you would be doing STEAM on Thursdays. I would check in and just see if there's anything there for you guys there. Otherwise, you could check out this link and do a little bit of PE. Thank you, Josiah. Josiah has shared with us a nice mindfulness video, a little bit of Disney, a little bit of other items. Don't forget to take a mindfulness moment and enjoy some of these videos. I think I only have one more video left that you guys have shared with me, and that one was from Yamale. So I'm waiting on you guys to share with me your videos, or I will select some videos for you guys to do as well. Don't forget to be silently reading 30 minutes a day, every day. Like I said, you could use Sora, Epic, the ebooks that are on Benchmark. Any of those is fine. Just enjoy some silent reading time. If you have your library books still at home that you haven't finished, go ahead and read those. A lot of you guys should be working on short chapter books, so please read some short chapter books as well. All right. I believe that is it for today. If you haven't already, please message me back on Google Hangouts so I know that we are connected and that you guys are working on the assignments. Also, if all of this video you said, wow, I have no idea, I didn't know that Mrs. Stewart's been posting videos, go back to Tuesday's video because you need to start from the beginning. Don't start with Thursday. It gets way too confusing if you don't know what you're doing, okay? I'm teaching you guys little things at a time, and we all need to learn a little bit at a time. Today was very math heavy, and your assignments are very math heavy, but I know you guys can do it. I know you guys will do great. But you only have that one reading assignment for English Language Arts, just to be working on the Wolf and the Fox. Like I said, please post questions in Google Classroom if you have any, and also send me any questions through Google Hangouts, and that's perfectly fine. All right, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Thank you guys for trying everything, and I will see you guys tomorrow.